24 SK9, no other than with an average score of 632% or points. Wow! Sino po? At ang mag-iiwan ko, siyempre, automatic po, ang ating Miss SK Tourism. Ayan, ang ating Miss SK Tourism will be awarded by Bordasas, Miss Luisha Santana, and Bordasas, Mr. Sir Ardy. Saan si Luisha? Sir, or the Miss Teresa. Alright, so congratulations to our new